Top 5 Best Action Cameras. Number 5. GoPro Hero 8 Black. While it may no longer take pole position within GoPro's lineup, if you can live without the front-facing screen in 5K recording of the flagship Hero 10 Black, then the Hero 8 Black is an excellent option at a reduced price. It supports up to 4K 60 video recording, captures 12 megapixel stills, and packs GoPro's exceptionally steady hyper-smooth 2.0 image stabilization. The Hero 8 is fully waterproof down to 10 meters straight out of the box and features built-in mounting prongs, doing away with the need for an additional case or cage. For added versatility, the Hero 8 Black is also compatible with GoPro's range of media mods, allowing you to attach an external light, microphone, or display. As with the Hero 10 Black, you can currently save on the purchase of a Hero 8 Black if you purchase it direct bundled with a 1-year GoPro subscription. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is still a great camera, and it's often on sale for as little as $250. It has most of what we like about its successor: customizable menus, a cageless design, and improved software. With hypersmooth stabilization now available in all video modes and the ability to capture raw images even in time-lapse, the Hero 8 produces excellent results. The one complaint we have is that the lens housing is not removable, a design flaw that GoPro fixed in the Hero 9. Still, if you pair a Hero 8 with GoPro's lens protector set, it can preserve your investment. While it's still a solid camera, don't spend more than $280 on the Hero 8. Coming in number 4. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Our previous top pick, the Hero 9, was a huge update for the Hero camera line. GoPro brought in a new 23.6 megapixel sensor, which is still the sensor in the Hero 10. If you don't need the stabilized 5.3K video, higher resolution JPG stills, or faster frame rates, the Hero 9 is a better value. It's still got great stabilization, shoots 5.3K video, captures 20MP still images, and can extract 14.7MP images from 5K video. The Hero 9 can do 80% of what the Hero 10 can do, and it's usually $100 cheaper. That's great value for the money. As noted above, the lower price when buying through GoPro means getting free 1-year subscription that will renew at $100 a year. Coming in number 3. Olympus Tough TG6. The Olympus TG6 isn't a strap-it-to-your-head and shred camera, but if you're shooting underwater, a common use case for these cameras, this is your best bet. The sensor in the TG6 is the largest of the bunch and produces correspondingly high-quality images and video. It's seriously tough, freeze-proof, crush-proof, dust-proof, and shock-proof. It also has real camera features you won't find elsewhere, like focus stacking for close-ups, an extensive set of add-ons, extra lenses, and even an underwater case that extends its depth rating. This camera is nearly 3 years old at this point, but despite some rumors of a TG7 that surfaced last year, so far there's no new model. I still think the TG6 is the camera to get if you're shooting a lot of underwater footage, but the results versus the Hero 8 in 2019 were more impressive than the results versus the Hero 10 in 2022. Coming in number 2. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The Hero 10 Black is GoPro's most advanced Hero to date. Powered by an all-new GP2 processor, the Hero 10 Black supports 5.3K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, and 2.7K video at up to 240 frames per second. The camera also boots up faster than its predecessor, offers a higher refresh rate front display, a more responsive rear display, and offers faster wired and wireless transfer speeds. The Hero 10 Black packs GoPro's latest and greatest stabilization tech. HyperSmooth 4.0 is the most effective action camera stabilization we've encountered to date, producing buttery smooth footage and calming the jerkiest of clips. Additionally, the Hero 10 offers horizon leveling which, with up to 45 degrees of tilt correction, allows you to keep your videos perfectly level too. For maximum versatility, it offers both front and rear-facing displays, a hydrophobic and scratch-resistant lens, and compatibility with GoPro's ecosystem of accessory mods including the ultra-wide-angle GoPro Max lens mod. The Hero 10 Black lists for £480 at online retailers including Amazon and Argos, but can be picked up for £380 when bought direct, bundled with a 12-month GoPro subscription. Coming in number 1. GoPro Max. We've tested 360-degree cameras before, but never been very impressed with either their quality or ease of use. The GoPro Max changes all that. Not only is the video quality very good, but the GoPro Max stitches together footage from its twin fisheye lenses in camera, which makes it child's play to edit and process the resulting 360 footage. Simply record your footage, transfer it to your phone or tablet, and you can either upload to YouTube as an interactive 5.6K, 30 frames per second 360 video that viewers can pan around themselves, or process it using GoPro's amazingly simple reframe editing tool. This lets you take any angle from your 360 video, turn it into regular 1080p video and cut between them. It's like having multiple cameras in one tiny package. Alternatively, you can use the GoPro Max as a regular action camera, using either one of its two back-to-back lenses. In this mode, the camera's amazing max hypersmooth stabilization and in-camera horizon leveling comes into play, keeping footage incredibly smooth, stable and dead level even if the camera itself is upside down. With top-quality audio from 6 onboard microphones and a built-in touch screen, the GoPro Max is an incredibly flexible camera. For outright quality we'd still recommend the GoPro Hero 10 Black, but the Max offers so much more.